how to forward a Teams message to your Outlook. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can forward your Microsoft Teams message to your Outlook email. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is open any chat. So for example, let's say I want to forward this particular message to my Outlook. So what I'm going to do is simply right click onto this particular chat, and then I have this option that says forward. So I'm going to simply click onto this forward option, and then from here I can simply add the recipient's email. So let me add the recipient's email, and once I will done adding the recipient's email, I will be able to send this message to the Outlook. So let me quickly add any recipient email, and once I've typed in the email, I can see the user right here. So let me simply click onto this, and then I can click onto this forward button, and this message will be successfully forwarded to that particular recipient. Also, as here you can see, it is currently forwarding to the same as well as I have selected from the ID. But if you want it to be forwarded using the email, then you can click on forward and then type in the exact email address like I am doing here. And once I'm done with this email, if I don't find any user, I can simply add them first, and after them adding them their Outlook account, I can simply click onto this forward option again, and it will be sent directly to their mail. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.